Hello and welcome to Maths and Fun. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am with Shrimoi and Akriti. We are going to take some of the questions based on trigonometry, and that is of grade 11. So if you are in grade 10, no need to watch this video because you will not understand anything. And the calculators are allowed in these classes because the angles that we are bound to find are not of the standard special angles. So till the last class, I think we have done up to question number 9 or 10.
7.
Question number 7 was done.
Yes.
Okay, so we were on the question number of 8. Any doubt up to question number 7?
No, sir.
Okay. Coming to the question number 8. The diagram shows points in a park viewed from above at a specific moment in time. The distance between two trees at points A and B is 6.36 meter. Odette is playing football in the park and standing at point O such that angle AOB is equal to 10 degree, OA is equal to 25.9 meter and OAB is obtuse angle. So the first question asks us, what is the size of angle ABO? So the two rules that we are discussing here are sine rule and the cosine rule. And I am going to remind again, suppose you have a side, okay, and the opposite angles. If you have side and opposite angles given, if this is given to you, then you must use sine rule. Then you must use sine rule. And if two sides and included angle is given, if two sides and included angle is given, we have to use cosine rule to find rest of the things. Now in this case, we can see that two sides and the included angle is not given to us.
Can we finish this question?
Yeah, we finished this question in the last class. So just have a quick revision on that. So two sides and the included angle is not given to us. So which rule we will use here? We will use sine rule. This angle upon this is equal to this side upon this angle, and we can easily find the angle ABO. I think we did this in the last class. So how to find which theorem to use? So we will write sine of 10 degree divided by 6.36 is equal to sine of B, the angle that we need to find, divided by 25.9. So sine, in fact B will be sine inverse 25.9 divided by 6.36 into sine 10 degree. To calculate this, find the inverse of this and you will get your angles. Alright? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall we move on to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. Calculate the area of the triangle AOB. I think we did this as well. And I told you in the last class, we saw the video as well, that area of a triangle is given by the formula half into AB sine C. What is the formula? Half into AB sine C. I think AB must be written in the smaller way. And you can also say half into BC into sine A, or you can say half into AC into sine B. These are the three general formula. I hope that you know it. I asked you to write in the last class as well. If you have a triangle and two sides and the included angle are given, these are the formula that we use to find the area of the triangle AOB. So they are saying calculate the area of triangle AOB. Audit's friend's camel is standing at point K such that he is 12 meter from point A and KB. Okay, that is the other question, I think. So triangle AOB, how you will find the area? So now that you know angle B and angle O, then you can add them and subtract them from 180 to get angle A. And if you know angle A, you can easily find by using the half into 25.96 into 6.36 into this angle, sine of this angle. Understood?
Yes.
You can do that as well. You want me to calculate in the class or will you do? Tell me. Anything, Shrimoy? So I want you to find angle B for me. Okay, do some work. Let me see how you are going to find the angle B for me. Tell me what is angle B now. क्या नहीं पीने वाला? और भी कोई दरवाजा है जो ढंग से बंद नहीं होता? बालकनी वाले चेक करो, देखो एक बार, नहीं हो रहा कुछ. So first find angle sine 10 degree, write it down, then multiply it by 25.9, then divide it by 6.36, then whatever you will get, write it down and then find the sine inverse of that angle.
I got approximately 45 degrees.
Wonderful, 45 degrees. So this is 45, this is 10, 55. So this will be how much? 125. So area is going to be, area is going to be half into 25.9, sorry, 25.9 into 6.36 into sine of 125 degree. Find this value and tell me. Find this value and tell me.
Sir, I was still writing the thing. Can we go back?
You are still pending in finding this angle?
Yeah. Like I just wanted to write it down.
जाली वाला भी?
I got 67.46.
67.56. Let me check the answer. So 45 degree and the area is 67.5 beta. Good.
I said 46, so it's
47. Yeah, you can round it off to 67.5.
yeah, I got that.
Good one, beta.
Thank you.
Okay, what about you, Akriti beta? Where have you stuck? You're not able to find this angle?
I did until finding 45 degrees for B and then 125 degrees for A.
So you are still stuck into this part?
No, I did that.
You are done to find angle 45 degree?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Now I have to do this.
So now you understood how to find the area of a triangle if one of the included angle is given and the side is given.
Yes.
Yes, sir. What was the area equal to?
47.6 something, she said like that.
67.47.
67.47.
Thank you.
You got the same?
Yeah.
Good. Now Audit's friend Camel is standing at point K. So where is point K? Here is standing. Such that 12 meter from A, so is 12 meter from A and angle KAB is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So how much was we need to find? What is the question? Calculate the camel's distance from B. So you need to find this length. So if two sides and the included angle is given, the third side can be found using the cosine rule. So the first time I am introducing the cosine rule, I think. For Srimoy, I have already introduced for Akriti because you missed one class.
Yeah.
So you can see the cosine rule says, beta, so if two sides and the included angle is given to us, the third side can be found using the formula BC. So I'm writing like for the, let us say the third side is C or here it is A. The third side is A. So we will write A square is equal to B square plus K square minus 2BK cos A. This is the formula. Cos A. A should be greater.
So wait, what is this formula for cosine?
This is cosine of angle. Cosine of angle A. So there is a cosine rule. I'm writing all the formula for cosine. So cosine says A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. B square will be equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. And C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. I want you to write all this formula.
Yes, sir.
Written?
No, just C square formula.
These are the three formulas. You can see the small c and the capital C, the small b and the capital B, the small a and the capital A. They are the center point.
Done.
So that is the included angle. And now we need to find this BK. BK is in the front of A, so we will write, I'm writing it as A. Okay, 12 is in the front of B, so I'm writing it as B. So I will write A square is equal to, so B square is how much? 144. I can write 144 plus K square is going to be 6.36 whole square minus 2 into 12 into 6.36 cos of 45 degree.
So where is 144 coming from?
What is coming from what?
144.
12 square beta.
Oh, okay. My bad.
I jumped one step. All right.
Yes.
Because I knew that only. Rest all I need to calculate. So I am making use of the calculator now. So first I will calculate 6.36 into 6.36. So it is 40.4496. So I am writing 40.4496 minus 2 into, so I'm multiplying this, I got this 12. So I'm multiplying 2 into 12 is 24. So 24 point into 6.36. So I got as 152.64. and I have to multiply this by cos 45 degree, multiplied by 45 cos. So I get 107. So this I am getting as 107.932. All right.
Yes.
Now again I will write a square is equal to 144 plus. So I am just writing 144 plus 40.4496 minus 107.93. So I got as 5716.8124. So A is going to be the square root of this. A is going to be the square root of this number. So to find the square root, where is the square root? Here it is. This. So I got a 75.609, that is 75.61 I can say. But this is a very long distance. It can't be that much big. The same mistake I think I did in the last class as well. 144 plus 40 point. I multiplied actually 144 plus 40.4496 minus 107.93 76.51. Okay, so this I got as 76.5196, and if I need to find the square root of this number, I am getting as 8.74, that is 8.75 centimeter or meter. So the distance is 8.75 meter. This distance is 8.75 meter. Just check out the calculations. If there is any doubt, please ask me. Shrimoi, are you able to get this?
I don't understand how b squared is 12.
B square is 12. You don't understand why B square is 12 square?
Like, is that side labeled as b?
See this angle, the side this. The side in the front of angle B is B beta. The side in the front of angle K is K. And the side in the front of angle A is A. Small a, small b, small c. Understood?
Yes.
These are the standard names that we use, symbols. So we do need to follow all this only. That's why this K is small k, this is not capital K. So I am getting the exact 8.75 meter. Let me check the answer key as well. So it is, yeah, it is exactly 8.75 meter as well. Here also. See the square root of 12 square plus 6.36 square minus 2 into 12 into 6.36 into cos 45 degree. Alright. Any doubt?
No.
Moving on to the next question. XY, okay, this is the next question. They haven't named the question as well.
Wow.
After C, there should be one more. Okay, it is a continuation question of the previous one.
Oh. So I have a question. How do you determine whether to use sine rule or cosine rule?
So in the beginning of the class only, when I was saying this, you were not listening to me, I think. I told you if
okay. Whoops.
if the side and the opposite angles are given, you will use the sine rule. If the
Because I keep getting confused between the both of them.
No, there is no confusion at all. If two sides and the included angle is given to you, See, you must know before the starting of the question what is given to you. So a simple trick to that. If two sides and the included angle, see this, what is given to us? The two sides and the included angle is given to us. Now before this angle was not given to us, tell me, what was given to us? We were given, so two sides and the included angle was given to us, the answer is no. So what was given to us? We were given an angle and the opposite side. So if the angle and the opposite side is given, then you will use the sine rule to find all the other angles and sides. Alright?
Yeah.
Let me make it more clear. Good that you asked this question. So what I will do is, I will create a triangle, let us say, and let us play a game. So this is A, this is B, this is C. This is A, this is small b, and this is small c. So first I will write given, okay. Then we will find out the sides. And then for that particular side, you have to tell me which rule to be used. Easy, fair game. So what is given to you is rule oblique property. You can also say which property you will use. Okay. So let us say I will ask you in detail in how many steps you will find the answer. I will counter you. Okay. So be careful. So if A is given to you, and angle A is given to you, and B is given to you, and you have been asked to find B, C, and small c, okay, sides oblique angles. Three things are given to you. Three more things you need to find. Okay, one by one I will ask you. Shrimoy, the first question is thrown on you. Tell me how you are going to find. Okay, the first thing that you can find in all this, tell me. What is the first thing that you can find in all these three things?
You can find angle B using sine rule.
Very good. You can find angle B using the sine rule. Very good. So I hope that you have found angle B using the sine rule. Okay. Now, how you are going to find? Now, what is the next thing that you can find, Akriti? Tell me. After finding angle B, what is the next thing that you can find?
So you have angle B now.
Yeah.
This is given. B is given. And B is given. You have two angles and two sides, so you can find angle C using cosine.
Really?
There's two sides given two angles.
Yeah. So you can find you are saying that you can find the angle C. So you are using cosine rule?
Wait.
Hmm?
Opposite is not given.
Okay, Shrimoy, you tell me how you are going. What is the next thing that you will follow to find? So side C or angle C? Lot of thinking is going on, my dear. You can find the angle C by angle sum property, yaar. Now you have two angles with you.
Oh.
You add them and subtract.
Okay.
Whoops.
So angle C can be found using angle sum property. And then side C can be calculated using sine rule. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Excellent.
Sure.
Yeah.
And then area can be calculated using cosine rule. Now you have everything.
Area can be calculated using cosine rule. How?
Means, okay, the rule that I'm saying is a cosine because it includes the angle between them. Okay. So it is a sine, it's none of the rule, you can say. It is half into AB into sine C. That's it.
Yeah.
Half into AB into sine C. Okay. Now I'm asking you, suppose C is given, small c is given, small b is given, and capital B is given. Okay, so two sides and one angle is given. You need to find two angles and one side. Tell me what is the first thing that you will look up to? Akriti, the first question is on you. What is the three things is given to you? These three things you need to find. What is the first thing that you will find?
So for cosine rule, it's two sides and one angle is
No, I'm
given.
not talking about any cosine rule. I'm saying that two sides and one angle is given to you. My question is, in any triangle there are six things, three angles and three sides. If you have been given three of the things out of six, the rest three, how you are going to find? What should be your approach?
You'll first find angle C.
Very good. So first you will find angle C using which rule?
Sine.
Sine rule. What is the next thing that you will find?
So now you have angle B, angle C, then you'll find angle A.
Now you understood the concept. Okay, so using angle sum property, you will find the third angle. Now you have two angles and you have all the three angles and two sides. So the third side can also be found using the sine rule again. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Understood now? Shrimoy, understood beta?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us suppose that B and C is given and you have been given angle A. So what are the three remaining things? So you need to find angle B, angle C and small side A. Now what you will do? What should be your approach? What is the first thing that you will calculate here?
First you'll find side A.
Sine A?
No, side.
Side A. Very good. First you will use to find side A. So side A can be found using which rule?
Cosine.
Cosine rule. Okay, after finding side A, what is the next thing that you will find?
So now you have all the sides and angle A. So now you'll find angle B.
Angle B, how you will find?
Will it again be using wait, so if you want to find angle B, you have to opposite angle. Then you can use sine again, right?
Wonderful. Now you can use sine rule to find angle B. Very good. Now how you will find angle C?
ASP.
Hey, good. Angle sum property. Shrimoy, is anything entering in your head as well?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let me ask you the last question now. Okay, so this question belongs to you only, Shrimoy. Okay, so up to here written?
Yes.
See, when you ask questions, that's how I can bring out new questions for you so that I can understand what is your approach. Are you getting it? So please do ask me questions, any questions that you have in your mind. See, this rule is made just now and it was made just for you only. Okay, purposely it was made because I thought that this might be a problem for many of the students. So next time if somebody asks me, or next time you will see such kind of questions, you can immediately follow this rule. Now Shrimoy, the question is for you. You have been given A, B and angle C. So you need to find A, B and side C. Tell me what are the rules that you will use and what is the first thing that you will find?
I couldn't find sides using cosine.
Oh my god, Shrimoy is too intelligent. So C with the cosine rule. Then what is the next thing that you will follow and which rule you will use?
You can find either angle A or B using the sine rule, and then you can find the remaining using A.
Oh my god, she is telling me she is now having a multiple approach. You can do anything, sir. You can find angle A and B. Both can be found using the sine rule. So this is known as good learning. And then the other angle can be found using the angle sum property. Don't forget the angle sum property in the sine rule. Okay, it is one of the very important property to find the third angle if two of the angle is given to you. All right. And apart from this, you will never find any other question. Either it will be of this form or it will be of the other form. Okay, we have catered all kind of questions. Now coming back to our previous question. So the follow-up question was that calculate Camille's distance from B. So we calculated that as well. Now the question is, XY is a semicircular path in the park with the center angle A such that angle KAY is 45 degree. Camille is standing on the path of Audit's football is at point X. Okay, Camille is standing on the path and Audit's football is at point X. This is shown in the diagram below. The length Kx is equal to 22.2 meter Kx. Okay. Angle KOX, okay, is given as 53.8 degree. And angle OKX is given as 51.1 degree. What is the question? Find whether Audit is or Camille is closer to the football. Okay. So who is closer to the football? They are asking you this. XY is a semicircular path in a park with a center A such that KAY is equal to 45 degree. Camille is standing on the path. Okay, so he is standing on the path and Audit's football is at point X. This is shown in the diagram. The length Kx is equal to 22.2 meter. Okay. Angle KX is equal to 53.8 degree and angle OKX is equal to 51.1 degree. Find whether Audit or Camille is closer to the football. So where is Audit? Audit is here. So that means they are asking us to find this distance.
I don't understand which one is 51.1 degrees.
This angle you are not understanding?
Why is there two angles?
They have given to us. It's not mine fault.
No, the drawing.
See, KOX, where is K? K is here, O is here, X is here. So angle KOX is 53.8 degree.
Yes.
Angle OKX, O is here, K is here, X is here. OKX is 51.1 degree.
Yes.
So what is the doubt in this? They have given to us. This is the information they have given to us. It is not that you found out. You should not question the given. Suppose I give you, I ask you, okay, you go to the shop and you gave $10 to the shopkeeper and you bought something of $5. So you can't say, sir, I don't understand why I gave $10 to the shopkeeper, because that is the question only. That's what is given to you. So it is given to us that 51.1 degree is the angle they are giving us. The question is different. That is not the question. The question is, find whether Audit or Camille is closer to the football. So football is at X, Camille is at K, and Audit is at O. So you need to tell me whether O is closer to X. So you have to tell me whether OX is greater or Kx is greater. This is what the question is asking you. Are you getting it? You have to interpret the question first. Okay, now tell me what you didn't get.
Understood.
Understood? Okay. So now can we see that two sides, one side and two angles are given to us? So which rule will be used to find this side? Tell me.
Sine
Which rule?
rule. Sine rule.
Wonderful. So sine rule means you can say sine of 51.1 divided by OX is equal to sine of 53.8 divided by 22 sine of 22.2 meter. Now before doing this question as well, before proceeding to this question as well, I like to tell you something else. So have you ever seen the graph of sine function? You know how the sine function behaves?
It's like a
Wave.
wiggle.
So
Yeah.
Shremoy, have you seen the sine function graph? No. So I will show you.
This moves.
So can you see this graph?
Srimoy, look, it's your favorite physics waves.
Sine waves. And I think I have to change some settings. Setting. Okay, settings. I wanted to take the x-axis. I don't know why it is not coming. Local style. Download, edit, perspective tools, labeling, rounding off, file view. You can see the 3D as well. See this?
Wow.
So as of now, I wanted to show you. I'm not able to. Why it is not working? Settings. Okay, leave that part. Let us leave that part. Okay. So I'm drawing this curve for you, taking it here. So just some basic things you should know. So this value is 0. Okay. And the graph of sine is maximum. The maximum value of the graph is how much, beta? The maximum value of the graph is 1 unit. Okay. So what is the maximum unit of the graph? It is 1 unit. What is the minimum unit of the graph, beta? Tell me. -1. And you can see the graph keeps on repeating itself. Okay, it's a periodic. Now what is the value of the highest value at what value? So it is 90 degree. What is the value at 90 degree? So from 0 to 90 degree, the graph increases. The graph increases. and from here to here the graph decreases. From 90 to 180 degree the graph decreases. Why I am sharing you this? Because in the question given to us, you can see that this is 51 degree and this is 53 degree. So from 45 to 9, from 50 to 90, tell me the value of sine is increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
ये पता नहीं देखो.
Understand.
Okay, you try to understand this graph, beta. Can you see the value of the graph is increasing?
Yes.
That is proceeding further. So I am saying, suppose here somewhat here it might be 51 degree, here some might be 53 degree. So my general question to is, from 51 to 53 degree, if you go, will the value of sine will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. From the graph, if you remember the graph, you can say that this value, this numerator is greater than this small numerator. Okay, are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
So if this numerator is greater, tell me, if this numerator is greater than this, then if these two values are equal, what about this? I am giving you another question. A by B is equal to C by D. My question is, if C is greater than A, what can you say about B and D? If C is greater than A, what can you say about B and D? Who is greater?
D is
D.
D.
Don't just guess around. Let us take an example. So 10 divided by 2. So tell me, if 10 is greater than 5, what can you say about 2 and 1?
2 is greater.
2 is greater than. So which must be greater than? It is but obvious that 22.2 will be greater than OX. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Without calculating the value of OX, without actually calculating the value of OX, we can consider that Khalil is at a, no, they are asking you shorter distance, closer. So we can say that Odit is closer to the football than Camille. Are you getting it?
Yes.
You understood or not? Sure?
Yes.
Let us see what is the answer. So I haven't calculated any value, but let me see if we are correct or not. If we are not correct, then we will apply a different approach.
Yes.
So they are saying that Audit is closer to the football, Camille is further from the football. See, we got the right answer without calculations. So if the time is less, the time is less, you can even write the graph of sine function increases from 0 to 90 degree. So you can say the value of this is greater than. So by the logic of mathematical, see, they found the value. They actually found the value using the sine function, and it came out to be 24.1, and it is less than 22.2. Are you getting it? But I didn't found the value as well. So that's where the learning starts. You must not need to find every value to find the answer. If you know from the graph itself, it's very easy to find the values. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Good.
Did they ask us to calculate the value, or did they just ask us who is closer?
No, they just asked the question, who is closer? So you could have directly answered this, but the marking system says that they are saying attempt to use sine rule with measurements from the triangle this. Mark 1 will be given for this. What is this? A1, A1, A1. These are assessment.
This is do we still have criteria in DP stream 1? We do, right?
I think this is a 4-mark question. This question.
Award 1. It's either criteria A1 or award 1.
Okay. Yeah, this is a 4-mark question. So 1 mark will be given if you are approaching the sine rule, and okay, and work mark will be given if you will write the formula. See, formula, for writing the formula also you are getting 1 mark, and 1 mark will be given if you find the value, and then 1 mark will be given if you can say, if you can find out. They are thinking that you are so dumb that you can't write this as well. So if you write this as well, then you will get 1 mark as well. Okay,
So
but
did you know that IB usually gives extra marks in the marking scheme than you can actually get? So
no.
that it. So I was reading through marking schemes yesterday for all of the papers that of subjects that I chose.
Okay.
And one thing that is in common in all the marking schemes is one thing is that most subjects have this thing that says award nicely. There's like a word they use, and it's basically that do not you do not penalize the candidate if they have gotten something wrong. Mark them for what they have done correct, unless the answer contradicts itself. And then the second thing is that the marking schemes have more opportunities to get marks than paper allows. So if paper is 25 marks, then the marking scheme will have like 30 marks.
Okay.
So if you get a lot correct, then they won't give you 30 out of 25. They'll give you 25 out of 25. It's just so that there's an extra opportunity to get another mark.
Wow, good one.
Very interesting, I saw.
Good. Good one. So understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
So if you have less time, you can do this as well. Okay, method 2. Sketch the triangle this with the vertices, angles and length. So you can say 51.1 is the smallest angle, opposite side. So reasoning 1, reasoning 2 and award 1 for this. So this is another way, another approach. Have you know about triangle inequality, Srimoi? No? You know about Akriti, what is triangle inequality?
No, sir.
Okay. So triangle inequality is very simple to understand by a mere simple logic. Suppose that this is a length of a side of a triangle. Now I am going to make the copy of this. So you can see that all the 3 sides of a triangle are equal. Can you see this?
Yes.
So what could be the angle? Can you tell me if all the 3 sides of a triangle are equal? What could be all the angles?
180 divided by 3. So 60.
Huh. Huh. हाँ हाय भैया भैया एक बार वो पहिए बनाने होंगे मेरे लिए, वो ब्लॉग बनाना पड़ेगा, मैं पहिए लेके आऊंगा, ठीक है, मैं आपको डिजाइन दिखाऊंगा कैसे करना है. Okay, now my question to you is, if I just expand this, see I'm just rotating this. Now to be this triangle, what I need to do? What I did, okay, you didn't saw what I did. So this was the triangle Akriti. What I am doing is I am just rotating it. I am just rotating this side. Okay, now is this a triangle anymore? This is not a triangle anymore. But to make this triangle, what I need to do? I need to beta extend this side. Can you see I am extending this side?
Oh, okay. So like a type of an angle, like scaling and all.
Yeah. So my logic is, if you are increasing the angle of a triangle, the side opposite to that angle is the largest side.
Okay.
Can you see that? Still you can see that these two angles are equal. Still you can see that these two angles are equal. Why? Because I didn't change the length of these two sides. I only changed the angle. So that means apart from these two angles, this angle is the largest. So as the angle is becoming largest, you can say the side opposite to the largest angle is largest. So they are saying, they are buying the logic, simple logic. that in two triangles, one of the side is 51 degree, one of the side is 53 degree. Okay. Now tell me which angle is greater, 51 degree is greater or 53 degree is greater?
53.
50.
So which side will be greater? The side in the front of 53 degree or 51 degree?
53.
So that's their logic that they are using. They are saying 51.5 is the smallest angle in the triangle. So the opposite side OX is the smallest in length. Reason 1, reason 2, and therefore ODIT is closest. So reasoning you can get 1 mark for both of these reasoning, and then no need of sign rule as well. Triangle inequality. This rule is of triangle inequality. Understood?
Yes.
But the question is still not yet done.
Wow, how much do they have to ask? for
So the
this
last question. So the last question says Camel runs along the semicircular path to pick up the football. So now the path that he has chosen is semicircular. And who uses that path? Camel. So they are asking us. So Camel is running to pick up the football. So he will follow this path only.
Calculate the distance that camel runs.
So how you can find? Very easy. So now do you know what is the radius of the circle?
Yeah. 12. Okay,
Now-
so it's what's the formula?
This angle is how much? If that is
180.
this is 45, this is how much?
180 minus 45.
Okay, do you want me to find it for you or you will find it for me?
135.
So that means 135 out of 360 into 2 into pi into what is the radius? 12. The formula to find the circumference or the length of an arc is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Yeah.
Or you
And
can
then-
say, you can reduce it to theta by 180 into pi r. Both formula can be used. It is just the cancellation of 2 and 360.
So this is for arc length.
Arc length, yes. For area, just this will be replaced by pi r square. Instead of 2 pi
Yeah.
r, you will write pi r square.
For sector area, it's theta by 360 into pi r squared.
Yes.
We wrote this at the start of the year.
So 135 by 360 is how much? You can say that this is going to be 3 by 8, I think. So 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So 9 pi is the answer. 9 pi. So if we take the value of pi as 3.14, so it is going to be 9 into 4, 36, 9 into 1, 9 plus 3, 12, 28.27 meter, I think.
Yeah.
26 meter. Let us check the answer. 28.26 or 27 meter. Okay, or 28.3. If you round it off, 28.3. Easy.
Yeah. That's easy.
Understood, Shimoy?
Yes.
I like circles.
Okay. Very beautiful name coming after camel.
Katrina.
Kachina.
Wow.
So you can beautify the name. Kachina. So in our Desi style, we say Kachina stands at point K. Kachina. At the top of 218-meter vertical cliff. Base of the cliff is located at point B. A ship is located at point S. 1200 meter from Kachina. Okay, this. This information is shown in the following diagram. Okay, so we can use the Pythagoras triplet to find this value. Alright. but I don't know what is being asked to us. So they have
Find
asked
the
us,
angle of elevation from the ship.
find the angle of elevation from the same. So angle of elevation means this angle they are talking about. So if you have a perpendicular and if you have a hypotenuse, so which rule you will sine? So you will say sine S will be equal to 218 upon 1200, and then S will be equal to, you will say it is going to be sine inverse
of
218 upon 1200. Just find the value and tell me.
Yes.
Use the calculator and tell me the value. Done?
My calculator isn't able to find inverse of anything, so I'm trying to find online calculator.
Okay.
I got 10.46.
You got how much?
46.
Okay. 10.46 is degree angle.
Yeah.
Let us check then. Yeah. Oh my God. 10.46, Shimoy.
Yes.
Agree, you are finding difficult to find inverse angles?
I'm not finding difficult. My calculator doesn't have that option.
Every calculator has that option, beta. You need to
So-
find the. So, do you have a Windows laptop or your? It's a manga.
I have
wala?
Windows, but the calculator is
Share your screen. I will guide you. Share your screen. I will guide you how to use it. Okay. So can you see scientific is written? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So trigonometry. Can you see the trigonometry as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to function. Can you see again? Click on it. Can you see inverse function given there?
No, this is all that's given.
Go to trigonometry again. Show me. Sine module ln log 10 to the power x. Is this the same calculator that I'm using?
Sir, it should be. This is the. Oh, wait. This is the Windows default calculator. It's not that calculator, sir.
I use the calculator using Google. I use Google calculator.
Google's calculator. Okay, let me try that.
Just go to Google and search calculator. I use this.
Sine. This is inverse.
Yeah.
Can you see sine inverse there? Sine inverse is there just below the degree. Change it
Yeah,
to degree.
it's-
You have made it to a radians, beta. You have to change it to degree. Yes.
What am I doing? Sine inverse.
Display inverse.
18 divided by.
You didn't put inverse.
I clicked inverse. See?
No. First, yeah, arc sine. Good.
Oh, okay. See, my calculator doesn't have that. That's why I was so confused. Okay. $10.46.
Okay. But your calculator must have, go to the search button. Go to the search button again at the bottom.
This.
Yes. There. Yeah. Search the calculator. Just type calculator in the search box. Now wait. So you have one app calculator. How many calculators are there? Standard. Click
Only
on the
one for
click
default.
click on scientific. Scientific.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, click on standard again. Okay. Again change the options. Just make it bigger. No, not like this.
Oh.
You have an option in the front of standard. Yeah. In the front of, yeah, click on that. Okay, it is just changing this option. Again,
Yeah, just
get back to the same. Get back to the same. Okay, now change again. Show me the options. Data calculation, currency, settings. Go to the settings.
settings.
App theme. Change the app theme.
It's just light or dark.
Okay.
And then
Okay, go back again. Then change it to scientific again. In the trigonometry, go to see if you can see arc sign is there or not.
no, there's only sine, cos, tan, hypo, whatever this is, sec, cosec, cot.
Okay.
There's no arc or anything.
How it can be?
I don't know. It's been like this since I got the laptop. It doesn't have anything else.
So what is my calculator then?
Sir, your calculator is different. Sir, is your TV from Philips?
No, 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 no. This is Maxub. Okay.
What calculator is that?
I don't know. It's coming in this only.
Oh,
Fine.
okay. Oh well.
So it's by default I'm getting this.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So it is working till the time. Okay, so you understood how to find that particular thing? Okay.
Yes, sir, yes.
Find the horizontal distance from the base of the cliff to the ship. So this you can find using what? This you can find using sine rule. See,
Yeah.
now that you have one angle and two sides is given to you.
Can you also just use the normal h squared is equals to p squared plus b squared?
Yeah, I think that is the best way to find it. You can use the Pythagoras triplet. Use the Pythagoras triplet to find the horizontal distance from the base of the cliff to the ship. Find it, find 12 square minus 218 square and find the square root of that number.
पेटीएम पर 35
I got 1180.03.
Have you done the square root of 1180? Okay.
Yes, I'm also getting 1180.032202.
Yeah, it's correct only.
Okay.
Now the next question. Write down your answer to the part B in the form of a into 10 to the power k. That means you have to write in the scientific notation. Okay. So what was your answer? Can you tell me? What was your
Wait, am I
answer?
gonna 1180.032.
1118.
80. 1180.03.
Okay. So if you want to write this in the standard form, you will write 1.18003 into 10 to the power 3. You have moved the decimals 3 units towards the left, so you will multiply by 3.
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
Easy?
Yeah.
So award A1 for 1.18 and A1 for 10 to the power 3. Okay, my god. 2 marks to write this.
Yeah.
So do we lose marks if we write the full form, like 1.1?
That's up to Ivy Shimoy.
So do we lose marks for that?
I
With,
mean,
with what?
if it says in the marking scheme that 1 point for this, 1 point for this, then yeah, probably.
For what you will lose the mark, Shrimay?
For not rounding it off, like if you write 1.1.
No. You don't need to do that. If they have given you to write the answers in one decimal place, then it's fine. But if you have written this, I think there is nobody can deduct marks for this.
Wait, show what the marking scheme says. I am pro at reading the marking scheme now. Okay. It's a 2-mark question. Award 1 mark for 1.18. Award this. Except their rounded answer. So basically, if you wrote a rounded off answer, they'll be like, okay, it's fine.
If you have not rounded off also, then also it is fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Award no mark for answers of 11
This
and
type.
8. Yeah. Because in standard form, it can't be greater than 10.
Yes. So if this is 10 to the power 3, then also it is fine. Okay. So maximum marks 17. I think 17 marks questions.
Wow.
So there are so many. I think this question should be given homework to you. We will discuss how to do, but we will not find the values. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll start from the new page.
Yeah.
So the calculation part you can do in the homework. We will just have a discussion on how to do it. The following diagram shows a park bounded by a fence in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Okay. A straight path crosses through the park from B to D. So this is a diagonal you can see. AB is 85 meter. AD is 85 meter. So this is an isosceles triangle you can see. So this angle must be equal to this angle. Are you getting it?
Yes.
BC is 40 meter. Angle CBD is equal to 41 degree. BCD is equal to 120 degree. Write down the value of angle BDC. They are asking us to find this whole angle BDC. Okay? अच्छा पैसे लेके okay. Now tell me that if 2 of the angle is given to us, okay, We need to find this angle. So this is a very beautiful question framed to us. We have these two sides. So if I join these two as well, do we have any information? No. So if these two sides are given to us and we have been asked to find this side, can we find this side? Tell me. We can find this side if we know about this angle. If we know about this angle, then we can find this side, and this angle can be easily found with the help of some basic tricks. Can you tell me this angle, how this angle can be found?
180 minus 141.
So 161 means 19 degree.
Yes.
Now let us suppose that this is x. This is x. Okay. This is x. This is x. So we have an equation. So how we can find? Now that we have these two sides, okay, this angle is to be found, na? BCD. No, BCD, they have asked to find angle BDC. Okay, the first part is done now. Angle BDC is done now. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
19 degree. That was using the angle sum property. Okay, we are into the answers only. Now use the triangle BDC to find. This is the second part of the question. Use the triangle BDC to find the length of the path BD.
Okay, so we basically.
So this is 40. So use the sine rule. So we can use the formula. BD is front of which side? So we can say sine of 120 degree divided by BD is equal to sine of 19 degree divided by 40. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
So BD can be found now.
Yes.
BD is done. Are you getting it? We are not calculating now, that you can do in the homework. So we are just understanding how to do the questions. Now they are asking us, calculate the size of angle BAD correct to 5 significant figures. Okay. So are you aware about significant figures?
Yeah.
Hello? Yes, sir. Hello? नहीं, मैं तो पढ़ाता हूँ. Okay. So significant figure, you are not aware about significant figures, beta?
No, we know.
You know? Okay.
Yes, somewhat.
So calculate the size of angle BAD. So BAD, which angle? This angle. Correct to 5 significant figures. How you can find angle BAD? Now that you know BD, tell me. Now we know this BD from the previous question. So can we find this particular angle A? Which rule you will use? Tell me. You have this side, this side, this side. One angle is being asked to you. Which rule you will use?
Cosine?
Yes, cosine rule. Because you can say that cos of A can be found using, please see this. So you will write BD square minus 85 square minus 85 square plus. So it was 2 into 85 into 85. I think this will be divided, I think. No. Let me write the formula first. So BD square is equal to 85 square plus 85 square minus 2 into 85 into 85 into, we can say, cos of A. So we will subtract BD square minus 2 into 85 square, because these are 285 squares. Again plus, oh no. This I will bring on this side, BD will be taken on this side. So we will write 2 into 85 square cos of A is equal to 2 times 85 square. So cos of A minus BD square. So cos of A will be 2 into 85 square minus BD square divided by 2 into 85 square. So angle A will be equal to cos inverse 2 into 85 square minus BD square divided by 2 into 85 square. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Shimoy?
Yes.
So now that you can find angle A, whatever will come, you have to mark it, you have to round it off to the 5 significant figures. That means you will get the value up to 6. You have to write the value up to 6, round off the 6th value, and then write the final answer as 5 values. Alright. The size of the angle BAD rounds off to 77 degree, correct to the nearest degree. Use angle BAD is equal to 77 degree for the rest of the question. So the answer must have come 77 point something 000 something like that, or 69 point something. Oh, sorry, 76.999 something like that. So if you round it off there, now for the rest of the question, you don't need to use that value significant figures, you will use 77 degree. Alright.
For the denominator, is it 2 times 85 square or just 2 times 85?
What beta?
For the denominator, is it 2 times 85
No,
square?
2 times 85 square only beta. See this. We have multiplied 85 2 times.
Okay.
So it is 2 times 85 square only. If you want, I can calculate because my calculator is fast. So, but we don't know BC. we don't know BD. So BD is yet to be found. Okay, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, please do it yourself.
Yes.
Okay, next part. Hence use the triangle BDC to find the length of the part BD. So BD can be found. Okay, so this is 77 degree. Find the area bounded. Area you can find using the formula half into AB sin C. Now you have all the 3 sides. You have all the angles. Okay. Okay. So this question is homework for you. Read and try to do it yourself. We will meet with this in the next class, or you have the answer key as well. Okay.
Yes.
Fair enough. So I want to just do some brainstorming with your mind as well. Okay. Chalo. Any doubt in today's class, Shrimoy?
No.
Akriti?
No, sir.
Enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do these sheets as well in the IXL. Very important sheets. For your understanding and about this chapter that you have learned this beautifully, what you can do is, you can do at least 15 questions from the sheets that I am saying you. It is R1, R2, R3, R4 in the geometry. So 5 sheets are there. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. At least 15 questions from each sheet.
Yes,
So
sir.
15 into 5 is 75, and then you can do the checkpoint. If you do the checkpoint as well, it will just make you understand how much you have learned. So it is a test. So you have got Sunday, you have got Monday, Tuesday, we have got class on Wednesday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, there are 3 days, and in 3 days, suppose on every day I am giving you just 2 hours. So 2 into 3 is 6 hours. 6 hours is more than enough to do these sheets. Okay, it is more than enough. If you do follow today also you can complete this. Please do watch the video. Do watch the video for every sheet before you start doing it. Okay.
Okay.
Take the help of the calculator. Do as fast as you can. If you do all the sheets, I will give both of you one chocolate. Okay, dairy milk silk. Yeah. So you are in Bangalore, I think. So it will be delivered on a morning 6 a.m. If you do
Wow.
it today, morning 6 a.m. you will get the chocolate. I will order from the Amazon Fresh. For sure.
Amazon Fresh does not deliver to me, so it's okay. You give to Shrimoy.
No, Srimai will give you in the school. So if all of you do these sheets, because I will get to see whether you have done it or not, because I have got this analytics. I know all your username and password as well. And here also I can see who has done what kind of questions. So I can see from here. So till now what Shrimoy has done. Let us see. So Shrimoy will come at S. So Shrimoy, till now you have just spent 5 hours 38 minutes. 14 days ago you practiced. Till 14 days before you haven't done anything, and just for 35 questions. Let me see what Akriti has done. Akriti hasn't
Oh
opened.
God.
She hasn't opened the sheet as well, I think. So Akriti name is also not here.
Where
Ayan.
is it go?
You
Oh, no.
haven't done a single question. You
Oh.
haven't done a single question. Yes.
I have, sir. Sir, this is
No.
blasphemy. I have done so much, sir.
No. In the last 30 days, you haven't done anything.
Oh. Huh?
See, I can show you here.
Not possible.
No. I think there might be some mistake in the name. I think. Let me see specifically if you have done something or not. Why your name is not coming here?
I don't know because we've done it in class. There it is.
Your
At the
Akriti.
bottom.
Okay. Oh, you have done 305 questions. 1 hour 54 minutes. Just spend 9 skills you made progress into. So you have done some questions. Okay, function, when we started function. These questions are done in the class only. After the class, you haven't done anything. Okay, so your active practice is 32 minutes only. 60 questions you have answered, 20 questions you missed. Okay.
That was cruel.
So that was on August 24.
Yes.
From that, you haven't opened any sheet. So this is not made to not to be opened. It is made to be opened and do so many
Yes,
questions.
sir. We will do.
Okay. So I want to see some progress today, and if I get to see a bit progress, I'm going to sure within this week, before the next class, you will get one Amazon Fresh order from my side.
Wow, sir.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta.